You launch Canva by opening an image or by opening a blank canvas. In the library, you can select an image and in the preview panel, click the Edit button. Or you can right-click on an image thumbnail and choose Edit Image. This will launch the image into the Canva editor. See the tutorials listed on screen for more info on image editing. In the art library, you have the option of editing an existing piece of art, just as we saw with Candids, but you also have the option from the Import-Export menu to open a new blank canvas in the editor in one of 3 preset sizes. Let's jump to Page Design. You can click to edit a candid image from the library panel as shown here. You can click to edit a piece of art from the art section. You can go to the Add New option in the art section to open a new blank canvas in Canva, or you can go to the Canva button in the control panel to do the same thing. When you open an image from Candids, the edited version will be saved back to Candids. When you open a blank canvas, or when you edit an image from the art library, the edited version will be saved back to art. Check out the other tutorials shown here for more on creating with Canva in eDesign.